Hello everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to fix the black screen problem on your computer. Watch this video till the end to know how. First, if you have a black screen but can't still see your mouse, try this simple trick. You can refresh your graphics driver using a keyboard shortcut. Press Win plus Ctrl plus Shift plus B at the same time, you'll hear a short beep, and that means your graphics driver has been refreshed. If the screen is black and you can only see your mouse, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del and click Task Manager. Then click on Run New Task. Type explorer.exe and click OK. And congratulations! Your desktop should now be back to normal. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who have the same problem. See you in the next video. Waving hand.